Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel, and today I will be playing the main melody from the Pink Panther theme. And with that in mind, let's get right into it. So for this cover, I will be playing it with a straight mute. Basically just looks like this. So you just plug that in. I think it just makes it sound a whole lot richer. So that's why I will be playing the Pink Panther theme with the straight mute. Now, here is what it sounds like. So that was it. Hope you guys liked it. And make sure to stick around for my next video, which will be a tutorial on this song. If you like this video, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. And until next time, Trumpet Beast signing off.